Due to recent UI changes, I've decided it's time for an updated NordVPN iPhone tutorial. From downloading and setting up to navigating the features and settings, I've broken everything down into 10 simple steps. And at the end, I'll go over my top tips for overcoming any connectivity issues too. If you're learning how to use NordVPN for the first time, then you'll need to grab a subscription. I've got a discount link that'll help you get any of their plans at an even more affordable price than is listed on the official website. So feel free to scan the QR code on screen or use the link in the description to access that. There are a few different plans available, and you can choose between the 1 month, 1 year, or 2 year durations, with the longest subscription offering the lowest rate. The basic plan comes with the VPN as well as email monitoring, while the complete tier includes a full security suite plus 1 terabyte of cloud storage. But I generally recommend the Plus plan as the best choice for everyday users, since it includes the VPN, anti-malware protection, an ad blocker, and even a password manager. All of the NordVPN iOS plans are very affordable, but if you're looking for a great price to value ratio, then the middle one is the way to go. After buying a subscription, the next step is to download it from the App Store and log in. Before we explore the NordVPN iPhone features, I highly suggest safeguarding your account right from the start. To do this, we'll first turn on multi-factor authentication, which is located under the Profile tab, then click Manage Account, and then Multi-Factor Authentication. You'll now be prompted to verify your email address with a 6-digit code, and once that's done, you can return to the Multi-Factor Authentication tab and press the Setup button that's next to the Authenticator app area. Doing this generates a QR code that you can now scan and hit Continue, and all that's left to do is to enter the code generated by your Authenticator app and save any backup codes. To ensure that you're protected by NordVPN for iPhone when you need it the most, you'll also want to enable Auto Connect by navigating to the Profile tab, clicking Settings, and then finally the Auto Connect toggle. From here, you can add any trusted networks if you prefer the VPN to only connect when you're using unsafe public networks. You're given the choice to activate Auto Connect on only Wi-Fi networks or to have it enabled always, in which case the app will connect to the fastest server that's currently available. Step 3 in this NordVPN tutorial is connecting to a server, and there are a handful of ways to do this. Clicking on the Secure My Connection button automatically connects you to the closest and fastest server, while the interactive map is a convenient way to see all of the worldwide options from a panoramic view. You can also scroll through the full list of countries via the All Locations button, and some servers also have an arrow that allows you to select specific cities in that country. If you're looking for a certain location though, then typing the name directly into the search bar is one of the most convenient connection methods. Keep in mind, the NordVPN iPhone app offers thousands of servers in 211 locations, so you have plenty of options to choose from. Now, while you're learning how to use NordVPN on iPhone, the next step is an effective way to overcome common connectivity issues, and that's by changing the protocols. First, navigate to the Profile tab, then Settings, and click on Locations and Protocol. I recommend keeping it on automatic for the smoothest experience, and if you do experience any connectivity issues, then each protocol is best used in specific situations. NordLynx is the fastest of the bunch and is used as the default setting, while NordWhisper is designed to bypass any restrictive networks and maintain security. OpenVPN TCP is the most stable protocol if that's your current priority. And though OpenVPN UDP is slightly less stable, it offers faster speeds. In the next NordVPN iPhone tutorial step, we'll customize and enhance your online experience with specialty servers. You'll find these under the All Locations tab alongside the full country list. The dedicated IP is a paid add-on that lets you connect to your own exclusive IP address, therefore removing the need to complete any annoying CAPTCHAs and reduce the risk of IP blacklisting. The double VPN routes your traffic through 2 separate servers, providing an extra layer of security, and the Onion over VPN option combines a VPN connection with the Tor network for maximum possible anonymity. Plus, the obfuscated servers are ideal if you need to disguise VPN usage as regular internet traffic to bypass restrictions and censorship. If all this so far sounds like the level of protection that you want for your iOS, then make sure to use the link in the description that automatically applies our discount at checkout. And when it comes to the NordVPN app, iOS users also get a boost of online security from the threat protection feature, which is located at the second tab on the bottom. Once this feature is enabled, it helps to filter out scam websites, block ads, and save up to 20% on mobile data by reducing unnecessary traffic. You can choose between having it enabled when the VPN is also active or having it always on. For even more protection, you can also switch on the adult site blocking toggle to prevent exposure to adult content online. To extend protection over your online presence even more, I highly suggest enabling dark web monitoring, which scans the dark web for any email or data leaks. Go to the third tab at the bottom called Products and select Dark Web Monitoring. Once you activate the dark web monitoring button, you can add up to 5 email addresses. In the same third tab, there's the Meshnet feature, which lets you link remote devices to your own so multiple users can access them through another device, and this is ideal for sharing and safely accessing files. Additionally, I suggest anyone using a VPN for iPhone to adjust their local network discovery settings. Though it can affect connectivity capabilities at times, it does enhance your privacy. Go to Profile, then Settings, and Local Network Discovery. When turned on, it blocks access to your local network and AirDrop usage. Also, this feature being enabled could be the reason you experience difficulty connecting YouTube on your phone to your smart TV. Speaking of connectivity issues, I have some go-to tips to solve the most common reasons. First, check if your internet connection is working properly, and if it is, then try changing servers until you find one that works. Restarting your phone can often help, as well as switching to the OpenVPN TCP protocol. Or you can also try connecting to the obfuscated servers through one of the OpenVPN protocols. If nothing else works, I advise you contact the NordVPN 24/7 live support for first-hand assistance. And step 10, you can set up the iPhone exclusive Siri shortcuts feature to make your overall experience more convenient. Just navigate to Profile, Settings, and Siri shortcuts. Then you're free to adjust according to your preferences. For example, you can type in or voice record the command, "Hey Siri, secure my connection," then hit done for the streamlined connection process. Just a reminder, before you start any of today's tutorial steps, be sure to check out via our link in the description to get the lowest possible price on your subscription. All in all, learning how to use NordVPN on iPhone is quick, simple, and a powerful way to protect your privacy and security online. If you have any other questions, leave them for us down below, and I'll see you in the next video.